Welcome friends. In this video I'll be unboxing the Amazon Basics dual LCD monitor stand. It is a very sturdy monitor stand which can hold two monitors at one time. So this is how the cardboard box looks like, I mean at the one side of the cardboard box is the information related to the product, and then on other sides there are some additional details more or less related to the transit or the shipping, and also some manufacturing related details which are not relevant, but I just wanted to show how the box overall looks like. uh, Now yeah, so these are this is all the details. Now let me open the box. So for that I'll need a knife. So while I'm opening this up, basically I wanted to get a monitor stand which could hold one of basically my monitor screen in both portrait and landscape mode. That is important because in some cases, especially because I do a lot of coding and programming, so in some cases being in a portrait mode sometimes helps, especially working with Jupyter notebooks because I work with them a lot. And also some web designing also, it helps in getting the output visualized on the same screen in the vertical and basically in vertical position. So that is the reason. Okay, so once we open the cardboard box, inside the cardboard box is another white colored box, so and it's a quite a tight snug fit. So what I basically had to put it upside down and pull the white box out. There is no information or branding on the white box, it's just a plain generic white box. So we'll have to open it from one side. It's again a really firm or a snug fit for this box as well. So um, yeah, so now it's open. uh, on top of this box is some paperwork which talks about the installation and the mounts, and also an installation guide which has the details of all the installation instructions which I use to actually install it, and also information about all the components. Up top is the base or the mount components. It's a really heavy mount. It has a considerable amount of weight, and then this is the vertical pole that holds the monitor mounts. And then we have a package which contains the different screws as well as components that would be needed for installation. And then we have the actual mount. Now I want to highlight quickly that some of the reviews on Amazon say that the orientation of mount is incorrect, which is not true. It is not a manufacturing defect because you can change the orientation of these VESA mount components to a different direction. Basically you can use the provided key fob and basically loosen them and move the face to the other direction, or they will face outwards when the arms are extended, and that way you can change the orientation. We also get some padding which is useful for which will get applied to the stand bottom, and also we get some wire management plugs as well as some additional screws. So that's all that is contained in the box. I'll just quickly place all the components so that everything is visible in one go. So these are all the contents of the box. uh, yeah, so now what I'll be doing is basically I'll be using all these components and also the user manual, and perform basically set up the monitor stand, and then quickly take some pictures and then show it to you how it looks after the installation. So these are some of the pictures. So I removed one arm of the monitor because I needed only one arm at this point, and that's the advantage, it's flexible. So this is in the landscape mode. We can also have the screen in a portrait mode orientation. So it's a really useful stand, and yeah, and it's a really premium quality product. I hope you like the unboxing. Thank you.